So we're opening up here a calculator page, and what we're going to do is use the complete the square command to return an expanded form of the circle into its factored form. So we go to Menu, Algebra, complete the square. And supposing the equation that we have for our circle is x squared plus 6x plus y squared minus 12y plus 20 equals 0. And then we need a comma and an x and a comma and then a y and then enter. And there we have it. The equation of the circle has been returned to a factored form, and we can now identify the centre at minus 3,6 and the radius is 5. Well, there's the first little trick worth remembering. Go to our home page, choose Graph. We're going to graph a circle. So we go to Menu, up to Graph, and then choose Equation, down to Circle, and there are two options. We'll choose the first one. And suppose the circle that we wish to draw has a centre at 4,2, so we enter in 4, hit Tab to take us into the next field, enter 2, hit Tab, enter 5, then tap Enter. We'll move this circle to the centre of the page, get rid of that a bit, lower it down, and we'll enter in a sideways parabola. So back to Menu, up to Graph, down to Equation, and then down to Parabola. And we need to use the vertex form, number 3 here. You can see here that the vertex is at h, k. So we'll enter in minus 2 and suppose that the vertex is at 10, 3. So tab across, enter in 3, tab across, enter in 10, hit Enter, and there's our sideways parabola. Now we might be interested in finding the coordinates and the points of intersection. There are 4 of them there. So we just go to Menu, Geometry, Points and Lines, Intersection Points, and then just touch on each of the graphs, and there are the coordinates. Now there's quite a few decimal places here, so we may wish to reduce that. Back to Menu, Settings, Fix 3, should be enough. OK, we have 3 decimal places being displayed. If we wanted to give our answer to correct the 2 decimal places, it's easy enough to see how to do that from here. We've got enough decimal digits to be able to do it. So in this case here it would be 0.17 and here 5.22. Let's open up another one of these graphing pages. And this time we'll graph a cube root function and a straight line together. So supposing we had 2 plus x minus 1 to the power of 1/3. And we wish to superimpose a straight line on that so that it cuts at 3 points. So we go to Tab and then type in, we won't want a great deal of slope here, so x on 4 would be adequate, plus 5/3. And we don't want to go up too high, that should be about right. So we have 3 points of intersection here. Menu, Geometry, Points and Lines, Intersection Points, and then just touch on each of these curves and we've got our points of intersection. So we can round it off to 2 decimal places, minus 6.49 and 0.04, etc. The CAS is quite handy for getting these points of intersection, so just ensure that you actually remember how to do it. It's probably a good idea to go back and review this and then try some yourself. Well, best of luck with it.